Network examples and protocols. The internet is a network of global connections comprising private, public, business, academic, and government networks, linked by guided wireless and fiber optic technologies. Intranet. It is a private network within an enterprise to share company data and computing resources between the employees. It may consist of many interlinked local area networks. Extranet. It is a private network that uses internet technology and the public telecommunication system to securely share business information with suppliers, vendors, partners, customers, or other businesses. Comparison between internet, intranet, and extranet. Internet. The definition for internet is a global network, a public TCP/IP network used by over a billion people all around the world. Example: sending email to a friend. Intranet. A TCP/IP network with access restricted to members of a company or an organization, accessing your record in the employee professional file. Extranet. TCP/IP network with restricted access to members, checking the availability of inventory from an outside supplier. This is a network diagram. Internet is the global connectivity for all the above networks like extranet and intranet. Intranet is within the organization, and extranet is a private network which uses the internet features. Internet of Things. Internet of Things refers to the digital interconnection of everyday objects like home appliances, wearable devices, or automobiles with the internet. The thing in IoT refers to an objects that have been assigned an IP address and have the ability to collect and transfer data over a network without manual assistance or intervention. Mobile networks. A mobile network or cellular network, as it is made up of a large number of signal areas called cells. These cells join to form a large coverage area. Users can cross into different cells without losing their connection. The generations of mobile networks are as follows. First generation 1G from 1981, with NMT launched that one. Second generation 2G 1991, GSM launched it. The second to third generation bridge, that is called 2.5G from 2000, that is called GPRS. Third generation 3G 2003 to UK 3G launch. Fourth generation, that is 4G from 2007 to till now. And fifth generation 5G from 2019 plus. OSI model. OSI model. OSI stands for Open System Interconnection. OSI model was found in the year 1934. General framework that enables network protocols along with the software and systems to be developed based on general set of guidelines. It describes the standards for the intercomputer connection. There are 7 layers in the OSI. The first layer starts from the bottom, physical layer, which has cables, connectors, hubs. It transfers bits, the datagram. The next layer is data link layer. It has Ethernet, PP, ATM, fiber channel, etc. And the datagrams are called frame. The next layer is layer 3, network layer. Here we have IPv4 and IPv6 for the TCP/IP, and the datagrams are called packets. The fourth layer is called transport layer, and TCP UDP are used for transferring data. The datagrams are called segments. Fifth layer is called the session layer, and the TCP/IP or the net buyers, app, and shaking connection. And these are the upper layer data. And layer 6, presentation layer. Here TCP/IP is ASCII characters, MPEG, SSL, etc. It's also on the top of the layer. Layer 7, application layer. Here TCP/IP we use HTTP, SMTP, IMAP, SNMP, POP3, and FTP. These are the 7 layers available under OSI. The bottom two layers are under hardware, the remaining 5 layers are under software. The bottom layer, physical layer. This is the first layer. It defines the electrical and the physical specifications for the device. Data link layer. It is the second layer and it guarantees that the data transmitted are free of errors. This layer has simple protocols like 802.3 for Ethernet and 802.11 for Wi-Fi. Network layer is the third layer determining the path of the data packets. At this layer, routing of data packets is found IP address. Transport layer. It is the fourth layer that guarantees the transportation sending of data is successful. It includes the error checking operation. The fifth layer identifies the established system session between different network entities. It controls the dialogue between computers. That is the fifth layer. Sixth layer that does the translation of data to the next layer, prepare the data to the application layer. Encryption and decryption protocols occur in this layer, such as secure socket layer, that is SSL. Application layer, it is the seventh layer which acts as the user interface platform comprising of software within the system.